You guys, for the past few weeks, I've been doing AI training jobs, and unfortunately, the project I've been on just concluded. And since then, I've not been able to get any job. So, this is to tell you that these AI training jobs, in as much as it's going to pay you, but it's not something that is reliable as even as a side hustle. What it means is that you have to look for other things that you can do to start, to keep getting busy and also keep making money. So because of that, you guys know that I will not skip anything. I want to share with you what I discovered recently that I have been using. And you guys, this works because if you know anybody that has built anything in public, people like Mr. Beast or anyone you know that started from scratch, this is what they are using. And most times people don't really know where to get started because they lack clarity. They don't even know what to work hard on, but they are ready to do the job. So because of that, I'm going to share with you the one AI prompt that I'm using that is giving me everything I need to do this, like to start building in public from scratch as well, so that you too can start. The best part about this is that it allows you to have the freedom you need. You can work from anywhere and you can earn from anywhere as long as you follow this step by step. And the best part is AI is going to do the heavy lifting with the brainstorming, with the directions and roadmaps. You don't need to do all you just need to do is just to give it one prompt and everything you need will be done for you. So if you're ready, the AI tool we're going to be using is Claude AI. Now, the reason why we're going to be using Claude AI is because I discovered that Claude AI is way much better than ChatGPT when it comes to making research because it is more detailed. The output is more clear and like you can easily understand it and you can easily work with it, especially if you ask it to give you the output in PDF form. It's going to give you something that is cool, like you feel like someone took their time to prepare it for you, and that way you will not be overwhelmed like ChatGPT does. So, and it's not all over the place. So that is why I'm recommending Claude AI. In addition to that, you don't need to worry about the fee because Claude AI also has a free plan that anyone that does not have the money to pay for the pro can actually use, and you can start easily for free. So I'm going to use that prompt and I'm going to share with you what it gave me as my own case study. So for me, you guys know that I design websites and apps. Recently, I learned about AI automation and all of this. So I'm combining all those skills to even design AI products like AI websites and apps. So if you have such job, please send me an email. Let's work together. So what I'm trying to say here is I'm going to share with you the kind of results you're going to get from just this singular one prompt. So here is the prompt. So here you're going to say act as a business strategist and an AI monetization coach. Now, before I go forward with this, if you have any skill, no matter what it could be writing, it could be reading, it could be anything at all, cooking, dancing, whatever it is you have as a skill, you can actually use this prompt and it's going to work for you. All you have to do is just edit it. Like I'm going to read it out for you right now. So he says, act as a business strategist and an AI monetization coach. My current skill level, you put your skill level, and then the main skill you have, you put it. My available time per week, you put your available time, then you put your income goal in 30 days. The reason why we are doing 30 days is just so you don't get overwhelmed. And if you can stay consistent for 30 days, there are high chances that you can stay consistent. You can stay consistent for 90 days. So once you have done that, you see my long-term goal, you put your long-term goal. Then you're going to ask it to help you identify profitable micro niche based on your skill. And the reason why you're going into micro niche is just so you don't have a lot of competitions, because if there are a lot of competition as a beginner, you will really struggle. But when you niche down so deep that you will be known solely for that particular thing, and when you get good at it, you will not really have to struggle much with a lot of competition. So here you say design a simple AI assisted service or digital offer. Outline a 30-day action plan to build real work samples, attract my first three clients, validate demands, identify the biggest bottleneck I will likely face, then create a system to scale this into a consistent income. Then you ask it to be practical, step by step, and realistic for someone starting from scratch. Now, this is exactly what I used, and I used Claude AI. Like I used Claude AI to be able to generate, the results it gave me, like I explained earlier. So with this, you're going to be able to get a result that will give you direction. So you don't keep, waiting on jobs and all that. You're going to be building business from scratch, no matter how little. So the crazy part is it might not really make sense to you, but over time, if you're consistent, you're going to be seeing the result. So in my own case, you're going to see the result it's going to give you. See what it gave me already. This one is a 90 days plan. As you can see, with the skill I have and everything, it's so detailed. It has table of content for easy glance. Then here is high demand service to sell right now. A lot of things. Then your micro niche definition, 30 days execution plan, and a lot of things. You see the way it's used different colors to differentiate different things. This is a PDF format with Claude. Then your biggest strategic bottleneck, like I said in the prompts, then this one is to scale from freelance to productized and digital products. So a lot of things here. So it's also going to give you content strategy, everything you need, like with just one prompt. It gave me something about 14 pages that I can use to position myself. Now, every day I have content title, I have the plan, I have everything I need, even the hook. It gave me a lot of things that I need to be able to build myself in public from scratch. Now, this is exactly what you need if you have any skill. Instead of continue chasing things that will give you quick money, you can actually use this and build a side hustle that will grow into an income and scale into something that you could not even imagine. A lot of people have done this and it's worked for them. So I felt that to share this with you so you know exactly where to get started, because on here my goal is to carry everybody along as I am moving along too. So if you want to make any job application fast, I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that you can actually use. It is customizable to suit every job position that you want, and a lot of people have used it, and again I've gotten a lot of positive reviews. So if you're interested, you may grab one with the link in the description of this video. And if you saw value so far, don't fail to like and subscribe. If you're interested in getting this prompt, you can comment prompt in the comment section and I'm going to send it to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.